الله جل وعز ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. قال الله تبارك وتعالى في القرآن المجيد: كلا نمد هؤلاء وهؤلاء من عطاء ربك. صدق الله العظيم. My honorable guests, our respectable teachers, our respectful students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today the topic of my speech, the life of Sheikh Samir Haq. Dear audience and devoutable chief guest, there are different aspects of Sheikh Samir Haq's life, like political leader and political life, chairman of Darul Uloom Haqqaniya Kodahatak, Sheikhul Hadith, and the father of the Taliban. I would like to tell you about the political life of Sheikh Samir Haq. A very deep and careful study of Sheikh Samir Haq's political life shows that he spent his political life as a chairman of the High Council, as a political leader, as a senator several times. Why? It is not your side. It is not your side, I answer. They just want the West to believe that Pakistan is an Islamic state, not a secular state. They just want that Pakistan is an Islamic state, not a secular state. I would like to tell you what is the distinction and difference between Islamism and secularism. Islamism means implementation of Islamic rules for the humanity, and the definition of secularism is written by Cambridge Dictionary. They believe religion should not be involved in ordinary and social activities of a country. Dear audience and devoutable chief guests and students, the slogan of Muslim League was just to protect the right of Muslims in the subcontinent. One concludes that Pakistan is equal to Muslim League. The slogan of Muslim League was totally Islamic. Why? Qaeda said on his back, I want Khilafat Rashida. Khilafat Rashida exists in Islam, not in secularism. Not in secularism. To all Pakistanis, to all students of Darul Uloom Haqqaniya Kodahatak, to all Muslims worldwide, Sheikh Samir Haq also intended to endeavor for getting success as Islamism and Khilafat Rashida. Even he is laid down. In the end of my speech, the President of Turkey, Recep Tayyip Erdogan says in Quran, the minarets or banners, the roofs or helmets, the mosque or brick, and the faithful or soldier. One thing that I cannot digest, the skies and the ground put upon against us. We are those who proud with the iman of ancestor. We are those who are proud with the iman of ancestor. Thank you so much. Wassalam.